So last year you did a little bit of logarithms. You remember the word logarithm? And what are logarithms for? Does anybody know? If I have 2 to the x equals 4, do we really need logarithms? Do you know what x is? 2 to the what is 4? 2 squared is 4. So here x equals 2. You got it? But if I have 2 to the x equals 7, ruh-roh, it's going to be a decimal. There's a variable in the exponent, and it's going to be a decimal. So when it's a decimal, I need to use logarithms to solve it. And we can do it on our calculators, actually. Back when I was a kid, we didn't have calculators. We had charts. So it was annoying. Anyway, so for this kind of equation, we need logarithms. Today, we're going to do exponential equations where logarithms aren't necessary, okay? So when the bases are the same, you have 6 to the negative 2n minus 2 equals 6 to the 2. You just make the two exponents equal to each other and leave the variable alone, and you get that n equals negative 2. And to check it, you just plug in a negative 2 in for n to make sure they both give you 36s. So 64 is the same as 4 cubed. So I replace the 64 with 4 cubed, and then I put the b plus 3 next to it. And now the bases are the same, so I can make the exponents equal to each other. And I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 3. So 3b plus 9 equals 2. Everybody see why I did that? I foiled in the 3. So we get 3b equals